The game of badminton originated in Siam, China over 2,000 years ago. It was brought to England in 1870 and was played somewhat like tennis. After being played in Canada, badminton arrived in America and has been popular since 1929. The game badminton is played as singles or doubles, game with one or two players on a side. The object of the game is to hit the shuttlecock or bird back and forth with the racket across a net 5 feet high at its center. The bird should be hit with such speed and accuracy that the opponent is unable to return the shot successfully. The game can either be fast or slow paced, depending on the skill level of the players. There are four basic skills in badminton: the grip, stance, footwork, and serve. The grip, forehand with the racket head perpendicular to the floor. Shake hands with the grip so the V formed by the thumb and forefinger is on the top of the handle. Backhand. Using a forehand grip, rotate the hand slightly so the thumb is along and parallel to the wide side of the handle. The footwork. Move toward the shot with short steps and end with a long stride. In the ready position, the racket is held high, the knees are slightly bent, and the body weight is on the balls of the feet. The stance. By using the same motion for all shots, the opponent is unable to detect what shot you are going to make until the bird is actually hit. A good wrist action allows more power and control with much less effort. A forehand stroke is won from a dominant side. The backhand stroke is from the non-dominant side. The racket is swung back, the arm is bent with the elbow up, the wrist is cocked, and the body weight is placed on the back foot. From this position, the stroke is made by throwing the hand at the point of contact between bird and racket, with weight being transferred to the forward foot. If possible, shots should be made with an overhand stroke. Lastly is the serve. High and deep for the singles. Take a position near and on the proper side of the center line and about 4 feet behind the short service line. Drop the bird on the racket side and swing the racket forward. Low and short for doubles. Take a position closer to the front service line. The racket is swung forward with little follow through. Drive or flick. A quick snap of the wrist in the backhand grip with the bird held directly in front of the body. The bird travels in a direct line at the receiver.